Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play How Do You Sleep by Sam Smith. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are D minor, F major, A minor, and G major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, and then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the second fret. This is D minor. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is A minor. And our last chord for this song is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the second string of the third fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be D minor for 4 beats, F major for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, and G major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the D minor chord. Down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. And now let's apply the chord progression with that string pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through How Do You Sleep? I'm done hating myself for feeling. I'm done crying myself awake. I gotta leave and start the healing. But when you move like that, I just wanna stay. What have I become? Looking through your phone. Oh, now love to you is just a game. Look what I have done, dialing up the numbers on you. I don't want my heart to break. Baby, how do you sleep when you lie to me? Oh, that shame and oh, that danger. I'm hoping that my love won't keep you up tonight. Baby, how do you sleep when you lie to me? Oh, that fear and oh, that pressure. I'm hoping that my love won't keep you up tonight. Tell me, how do you Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for How Do You Sleep. And that's how you play How Do You Sleep by Sam Smith. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.